Olive oil's hidden power revealed in 7 days. 3 weeks ago, I challenged my skeptical brother to try something that sounded too simple to work. Take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil every morning for 7 days. He laughed at me, calling it another health fad. By day 7, he was texting me at 6 a.m. asking where to buy more bottles. What happened during those 7 days changed everything he thought he knew about this kitchen staple. The results were so dramatic that his wife started the same routine immediately. The challenge began when my brother complained about his energy levels crashing every afternoon. At 42, he felt exhausted by 3 p.m. daily, relying on multiple cups of coffee just to function. His skin looked dull, and he'd been struggling with irregular digestion for months. I'd been researching olive oil's therapeutic properties after reading studies from the Mediterranean Diet Research Center. What I discovered about daily olive oil consumption on an empty stomach shocked even me. Day 1 started with resistance. My brother grimaced as he swallowed his first tablespoon of olive oil at 7 a.m. The texture felt strange, and he immediately chased it with water. I explained that the slight discomfort would disappear as his body adapted. The science behind morning olive oil consumption fascinated me. Research published in the European Journal of Nutrition shows that consuming olive oil on an empty stomach maximizes absorption of its beneficial compounds, particularly oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. Day 2 brought the first subtle change. My brother noticed his usual mid-morning hunger pangs didn't arrive. The healthy fats in olive oil were providing sustained satiety, stabilizing his blood sugar levels naturally. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirm that monounsaturated fats improve metabolic function. By day 3, something remarkable happened. His afternoon energy crash disappeared completely. Instead of reaching for his 3rd cup of coffee, he felt alert and focused throughout the entire day. The sustained energy from olive oil's healthy fats was replacing his caffeine dependency. Day 4 revealed digestive improvements. Years of irregular bowel movements suddenly became regular and comfortable. Olive oil's natural lubricating properties and gentle stimulation of digestive enzymes were optimizing his intestinal function. The most shocking change appeared on day 5. My brother's wife commented on his skin's improved appearance. The dullness was replaced by a healthy glow. Research from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology explains that olive oil's antioxidants and vitamin E support skin health from within. Day 6 brought cognitive clarity he hadn't experienced in years. Mental fog lifted, and his concentration improved dramatically. The brain-supporting compounds in olive oil, particularly oleic acid, enhanced neurological function according to studies from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry. Day 7 marked the transformation's completion. My brother woke up naturally without an alarm, feeling refreshed and energetic. His usual afternoon slump was history, replaced by sustained vitality throughout the day. But here's what 100% of people don't know. The timing and quality of olive oil consumption determines everything. Taking olive oil with food reduces its therapeutic absorption significantly. Empty stomach consumption allows maximum bioavailability of its beneficial compounds. Quality matters more than most people realize. Genuine extra virgin olive oil contains over 200 beneficial compounds that support health. Fake or adulterated oils lack these compounds entirely. The difference in results is dramatic. Temperature affects olive oil's properties significantly. Storing olive oil in warm locations or exposing it to light destroys its delicate antioxidants. Dark glass bottles kept in cool, dry places maintain potency longest. Freshness determines effectiveness. Olive oil loses potency over time, with maximum benefits occurring within 18 months of pressing. Checking harvest dates ensures optimal therapeutic value. Individual responses vary based on digestive sensitivity and overall health. Some people experience mild stomach upset initially, usually resolving within 2 to 3 days as the body adapts. Starting with half a tablespoon and gradually increasing helps minimize discomfort. People taking blood-thinning medications should consult healthcare providers before beginning daily olive oil consumption. The natural compounds may enhance medication effects. Those with gallbladder conditions should exercise caution with high-fat consumption. Olive oil stimulates bile production, which would cause discomfort in sensitive individuals. Always consult healthcare providers before starting new health routines, especially with existing medical conditions or medications.